Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr and today is Wednesday, April 29th, and I am here for your rundown on math. Hey! So we have been talking about adding, subtracting fractions. Yesterday we started our mixed numbers, adding, subtracting our mixed numbers, and we're going to continue that with regrouping today. So again, if you have not already started utilizing Teams to chit chat with your teacher, this would be an excellent day to do so. And if you don't remember or don't know how to get to Teams, then check out the how to get to email and Teams video on the homepage of your math on your homepage for math and science. So there's a video of how to get to Teams. So I would check that out, because if you're not already using this to talk to your teachers to get extra help, then you need to start doing so now. Okay, this would be an excellent benefit for you. All right, so the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to watch these two videos. Look right here. Make sure you follow this direction. It says start at 2 minutes, 50 seconds. So when you open this video up, and you, of course, have to wait for it to load. We'll mute that so you don't have to listen to that. We're going to skip ahead. And then we're going to go to the 2 minute 50. Oh, that's too far. 250. Oh, 250 right there. And then, so that's where you're going to be listening to. And this is the adding. This is the adding. So make sure you're paying attention to this. You don't need to watch the whole video. You only need to watch it for this adding the mixed numbers and the regrouping phase of it. Okay. And then you're also going to watch this subtracting video, because this subtracting video, it's not the same one. It is Mathantic. Okay, guys, so you're going to want to make sure that you watch this video. It doesn't say anything about skipping ahead, so you make sure you start from the beginning. Because this one is super, super important. This one has that regrouping. How do you regroup or how do you borrow when it comes to a fraction? Because remember, you can't take something away from nothing, or you can't take a larger number away from a smaller number, at least not until next year when you get into negatives. So please make sure you're watching this video. This is going to be super helpful. Remember, you can pause it, you can rewind it, you can listen to it over and over and over again. You can rewatch the video as much as you need. Please make sure you are following this video to help you go through. Also, don't forget, we're going to have some anchor charts for you. So go ahead and open up those anchor charts to help you through those videos as well. Okay, and when you get to your problems. All right, so now after you've watched both videos, again, make sure you're watching both videos. After that, then you're going to do this assignment here. And this is they're not two different assignments. They're the same assignment. So you're doing the on paper assignment, or you can do it, share it digitally. Either way, you're going to have to do the work on paper, but you can share it digitally and not have to worry about taking a picture and uploading anything. But you can click on this, open this up. Slow. And then you can work on it straight from this screen. You do not need to go past this screen. You do not need to come over here and download it. You can if you want to. You do not need to print it. You can if you want to. Neither of those are necessary. You can really literally just look at the problems from here. Now this has 10 problems. I don't think I would do all 10. I'd probably do 5. Okay. 5 problems really is all you need, but I don't think I would go in order either, because it looks like these are all adding problems versus some subtracting problems here at the end. So I would do like odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or you can do evens, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, but I would just do 5 problems. Please, please, please do not stress about trying to do the whole thing. That is definitely not necessary. So please make sure you're doing that. And then also don't forget to check your answers before submitting. And here is the digital option. As always, don't forget to click File. Once you open it, you're going to click File, make a copy, and then you can do the entire presentation. Okay, click OK. Make sure you're logged in as you in your Google account, by the way. And then it's going to slowly come up. and then you're going to do, and again, just like I said, I would not do all 10. I would do either the odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or the evens, 2, 4, 6, and 8. That way you can get a mix of both the adding and the subtracting. And then you'll type in your answer here. Don't forget to click share when you're done so that you can share this with your teacher, because your teacher is wants to see all of your work. Okay? And then click done once you type your teacher's name in. And then here's some extra practice if you feel like you need it. But don't forget here, guys, super, super, super important. Don't forget to come back here and answer your discussion post question. Once you answer your discussion post question, please make sure you check back later in the afternoon or the next morning, depending on when you submit it. You're going to do it either later in the afternoon or the next morning to check and see what your answer is in case you need to make corrections. Also, please do not put an answer and then you see everybody else's answer and then you immediately change your answer and you have no idea how you got the answer. That's A, cheating, and B, not helpful because you don't know how you got that answer. So please, it's fine to look at the other answers, but you do need to make sure you understand how to correct it. That is the most important thing. Find your mistake and make those corrections. All right, guys, that is it for today. Please utilize Microsoft Teams. Please utilize these envelopes. Guys, this is tough stuff, so please make sure you're asking questions. We're here to help you. All right, guys, y'all take care. Bye-bye.